Hi, everyone. It's Mr. Franklin here. I want to recap what we did today, um, in large part because of the problems we had getting into Zoom, but also because some of us were having technical difficulties and didn't get to participate in everything. Um, so I have figured out a new way to put in the links for Zoom. So that will be coming at you in a different way here shortly. It will basically become a link here on the side where that will say Zoom, and you'll just click on the Zoom link and it'll take you to the Zoom that you need to do. So for example, this link is dead. There is no such meeting, but about 10 minutes before each class, maybe even as short as 5 minutes before each class, I will post the new Zoom link. You will click on the Zoom right here on the side, and you will join the Zoom there. Now, first thing before we go any further, one of the things you should do is when the Zoom opens up, it's going to create a new, probably open it in a new tab. So what you should do is, or can do, is undock. So you can undock your tab with the Zoom in one tab and go up here and minimize it and do a split screen for yourself. And then we go to the other tab, minimize it, and scooch it over here. There's actually some hotkeys that'll do it a little bit faster, but that's the easiest way to do it. That way you can still see the Zoom going on and you can work on whatever document is going on in Canvas. Okay. Now, with that said, today we're going to go into modules, and right here we had the live session from yesterday that I converted into videos so that you can work through it at your own pace. So if you are lost and not sure what to do, yesterday was August 17th. You can click on that and it will give you all the information from yesterday, okay? Or from Monday. I'm going to add, see this link here? I'm gonna put the same thing down here, but I'm probably gonna put it underneath Zoom 818, okay? And allow you to walk through that at your own pace. Now, what we were supposed to have gotten through today is a syllabus preview. This is a self-paced pear deck. Should open right in Canvas, and you just click on the slides. Now, if you go down here to next, that next is in Canvas. Up here is the pear deck. Okay, so some of you are still getting a little bit lost with things. You can go down here. You can do this two ways. You can go to modules, find 818, that's today, Tuesday. Then you click on it and it takes you right there. The other and easier way to find it is you go to the home page, which is the syllabus page, and you find Franklin Zoom 818, which is today. You click on it there and it takes you right to, that actually takes you to the live Zoom, but we're actually on the one right before it, which is the syllabus preview, okay? And you're going to work through this. So, and if you click on this, I'm happy, I'm ready to go. And if you've never used a pear deck, you should be able to click on the syllabus, see it open in a new tab. Well, I'm going to drag this new tab right over here. Okay, I'm going to close that tab. And now I have the syllabus. You may have to resize. To resize, you can go Command minus, and that'll resize things for you. Or Control minus, Control minus, Control minus, Control minus. Shrink it down. That still may be too small for you. So you can make it bigger, and then you can Alt tab through things, okay? So there's the syllabus for you. While we're in Zoom, these are our expectations, appropriate behavior. We're gonna basically use everything for learning. So keep that in mind. Video on, especially when we're in group chat and we're talking to each other, so we can all get to know each other and having a good place to work. But what I want you to do now is you can read through the syllabus, through all the expectations, and then there's going to be some questions. So right here, what do you notice about the materials required for the course? You can click answer the question. and answer the question. If you skip a question, it logs it for me and you will not get full credit. You'll have to go back and make sure you answer all the slides. You got to at least put something in every slide. Okay? So you're going to step through the Pear Deck and answer the questions as you go. And this is all about the syllabus. Okay? All right. So that shouldn't take you very long. Today, what we did in the live session, especially block 2 and block 3, I apologize, block 1, we really didn't get through this. This may not let me because I'm in student view. And yeah, I'm in student view. So in student view, this is what should come up, but it's right now, it is still set to teacher presentation. So I'm gonna leave student view. Okay, so now I got my teacher view. I will change this over here after a while to self-paced so you can work through it. But our goal for today is to learn more technology. I want you to, one of the questions in here is, it says waiting for a response. But this question will be, what is a syllabus? And you'll write that down. There's a link to the syllabus, which we already opened. Okay, I'm going fast. So if I'm going too fast, just pause, back up a little bit, and then you'll be okay, okay? We did a breakout room today where you got to, hopefully you got to talk to some of your classmates. And here is the new thing. I'm gonna make a separate video talking about supplies, okay? And that's about as far as we got in most of my classes. So the thing that you need to be aware of for tomorrow, if you are in block 1 or block 2, you are on your own and you are going to be working on your introduction slides. I'm going to show you that in just a second, but there is a problem. Some of you cannot access the Google suite of applications because you have to change some settings in your browser, and I'm going to give you a link to that in just a minute, okay? But tomorrow, those of you on Wednesday, you do not have me with Zoom. You only have block 1 and 2. You only have on your own, you're going to work on the introduction slides that I showed you. Block 3, you are going to work with me in Zoom, and we are going to jump into Flipgrid, and we are also going to do some research on a favorite scientist, and then we're going to share that information that we learn in Flipgrid. And that's going to be our big goal for tomorrow. And then you will get to do your introduction slides the next day. Okay, so that's what happened today. And let's leave. Okay, we did not do this, so I'm actually probably going to turn this off. Some of you have already posted on there. I will probably read through this. I'm got to think about what I'm going to do with this. You do not have access. Oh, it is published. You'll go to the next page, and this actually has the requirement for your About Me slides. You should automatically have a slideshow show up for you that you can go in and edit. However, if you may have to do a couple of steps to allow Google Slides to work with Canvas. So that I'm going to show you that in a separate video. Okay, so that's all I've got for now. That's a lot. So bear with me. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with me as we work through this. I will be posting a video about supplies, and I will also post a video of another teacher showing you how to get Canvas set up so that all the Google stuff will work for you, okay? So that wraps it up. Do your best, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.